While reviewing the Hobbico NexStar Mini EP, I also got the chance to review some Maxx Products International lightweight wheels. These wheels are a bit bigger than the stock wheels, and they're especially designed for electric airplanes. Installation was simple. On the main gear, I just unscrewed the main wheels and screwed the Maxx Product wheels on. For the nose wheel, I used an additional wheel keeper to space the wheel off of the nose strut. Overall, it took about 5 minutes to convert the airplane from the stock wheels to the MPI wheels. Let's watch takeoff with the stock wheels. Now let's watch takeoff with the MPI wheels. Notice how much quicker the takeoff is. You can read the full Hobbico NexStar Mini EP review at RCUNIVERSE.COM. Music for this video provided by Mevio's Music Alley. Check it out at music.mevio.com.